Oh, shit. Namaste.
Namaste.
That's my yoga knowledge. Starts and ends there.
Very good. Let's start with a warm-up with sun salutations and we'll lead into the specific exercises.
You know what? I've, believe it or not, already done a very comprehensive warm-up, so probably could just skip that.
Yeah, I don't think so. Let's do the sun sals.
Oh, you are a tough teacher.
Curl those toes towards you. So you're engaging your front side, you're keeping that front line on, yes. Core on, core on.
Reset.
So what you're doing in your lower body is going to affect what happens up in your shoulders. And we'll exhale, bring the arms down, straighten that front leg. And then just step to the top of your mat. Nice work. So we're going to move into shoulder mobility. Exhale, bring your right hand down. Yeah, if your eyes follow your thumb, and then bend the left elbow as low as you can. Good. Also not easy for me. Now, let's come to the best part. Shavasana, corpse pose.
Aha! Finally! My showboat opportunity.